All right, good morning, everybody. This is Tim from TRX again. So today we're going to be installing welding partial flooring in one of our trailers that were cracked. So got a new welder set up. Welder is Eric. He's going to be prepping it up today. So let's jump in and take a look, and I'll let you guys go through it, and we'll talk about this. We're going to come in, Eric. We're not going to be in your way, brother. Don't worry. He's going to be sectioning part of the floor here where it's cracked. So we got this new flooring. This actually works pretty good. It fits in between the grooves there. It's like a cap. This is the damaged area here. So we have one here and we have another one here. It was previously done prior, but now it's cracked. So this is really not the proper way to do this, but today we're going to do it the right way. All right, I'm gonna be in your way just for a minute, and I'll get out your way. Where's your channel pieces you cut? We figured out a way to do this, make it simpler and quicker and more secure. So if you can see the cap, how it is, we cut out a section right here, made it flat. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna make this flooring even more sturdier. So if you can see here, the flat part here is gonna take and fill in this section here, where the original does not. If you can see here.
This is a big gap.
So if we left it like that, we have a gap here. So we decided to cut off a section so we could get flatness, just make it look like original. So that's what we'll be doing today. I'll let my man go ahead and get up and get prepped up. When he's prepped up and get ready to weld, we'll come back and we'll show you how this is done.
Hey, real quick, 99% of you are not subscribed, so I'll just ask you to hit that like and subscribe button below if you like these types of videos and enjoy our content. Now back to the video.
I see. Yeah. Also, somebody's I gotta see like right here. There's no crack here, but somebody's gotta extend over. So, really, I'm just. It's like fucking Tetris. This is all. Might as well just cut it back inside and just one. Yes. There's the one right here like that. One right here. All the day.
Yeah.
It'll go down. I gotta grind shit. No problem, it's in the wrong in there.
Okay, so I stepped in for Tim. He's running around. Got a trailer came in or something, so he's dealing with that. But what Eric is doing now is, so he's moving some of these tires around so we can get in with the forklift and lift the welder onto the trailer. Because so this is probably going to be the fun part, huh?
Yeah, for sure. That's not fun.
How is aluminum welding different from like the regular steel?
It burns a lot faster. So steel is obviously a lot harder, and metal and aluminum is more softer. So you got to be real quick with it. So it burns real quick.
Okay.
It's same concept, but a lot faster. For sure. And also heats up a lot faster too. So you got to take more breaks.
Oh, okay.
So like we can't just weld a 10 foot long bead. It all depends on the material, but usually you got to take breaks now.
Is it usually because it's also thinner sometimes?
Yeah, it's not thinner. I mean, it can be thicker too, but it burns more hotter, so you more copious, thicker holes.
Yeah, I mean, this will probably be a 2-day job, so we'll get as much as we can now to show you guys how we do it. But then Eric will finish it on his own accord so that we don't feel like, so he doesn't feel like we're rushing him or anything, because that's definitely not, we don't want to. So, yeah. And if you know anything about welders, this is the one we have, Millermatic 211 Pro. Personally, I have no idea what all these buttons do, but I'm assuming you professionals out there, you'll know. Is this good, bad? Does it do the job? I don't know. We'll see. Yep. How does that look?
That's not bad.
Okay.
There's practice shots, but that's so good.
Nice.
This you cannot do more than like 2 seconds on here. So if it's like the first little bit, you got to tack weld everything.
Okay.
Or it's called spot welding. So until it's got a bead over, and then I can do a full bead on top of that.
Okay. Too hot? Says alert.
It has your thickness, it has the wire speed, your heat, everything. So your thickness is what? 180? 180. That's what I'm saying. That's they recommend.
Right. It goes right to.
But they're not putting your strength of your aluminum. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That might be for 6061. That's not 6061 aluminum.
Okay, sure.
All right. So you're gonna have to drop that down to about 16.
Yeah, that's when I'm around my 15.5.
Still too hot?
Yeah.
All right, drop it down to 14.9.
Okay.
All right, change your wire speed. What were you at before?
370.
370?
Yeah.
That's too high.
All right.
You need to go to at least 35.
35.
Yeah.
Okay. So 45. Sounds a lot better.
There you go. That'll work. You're gonna get a little bit of a bubble, like you got right there, like the caterpillar.
Yeah.
But you see you look here. You see that right there? That's penetration lights. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here where it goes out.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
So you're gonna get a little caterpillar. You're not gonna be able to burn it in, melt it like what you're thinking.
Okay.
Now look on your bottom. Okay.
That was for the previous.
No. I'm talking about the one you just welded. On the bottom, it should look like it should have a black mark.
Right.
It's the line.
That was from the previous one.
That's too hot.
Yeah, that's what. No, that was from the last one I did.
So
Not from that one.
you're not gonna get that flat.
Okay.
You're not gonna get your flat. What you're thinking on this.
Right. Okay.
You're gonna get your little caterpillar. Okay. You burn too hot, you're gonna poke right through there.
Right now.
So you're gonna just have to bear with it and do your little burn.
Okay.
Because that's the best you're gonna get with this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How's that?
Much better.
Some people put a plate on, just hammer it down so it's nice and plated.
Right.
Some people I've seen put the 1-inch tubes or 3/4, whatever the shit is.
Yeah.
Falls down on top of it. Put it in there. Weld around the 3 sides. Weld along both ends of the thing.
Right.
The gravity rails are fucking broken. That way
Right. You done that.
you still have the whole
The tubing.
the fucking go through.
Yeah, the square tubing.
Nice catch. The short Miyagi catch actually.
I know you're trying to do solid. Why don't you weld it like a TIG?
I'm only doing solid on top, and everything else I'm gonna do this.
No, if you weld it like a TIG, you'll get your solid. It'll look just like a regular weld. You won't have to be doing.
Stop all the whole time.
You won't have to be doing, consistent, because your consistency, that's where you're getting in trouble.
Right.
All right. Let me wrap this up. Let me get a helmet on and let me show you. All right. We good? All right, guys, back again. So we finishing up our flooring. Hope you guys got something out of this. This is actually something new for us here also, but we're doing this the right way.